So some of you may know that I reviewed Paula Deen's restaurant in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I went there for my birthday and the food was awesome. We had a breakfast spread like I've never seen before. And they had pigs in a blanket. They were giant-sized pigs in a blanket. They were like regular-sized sausages wrapped in pastry dough. And I'm like blown away. Not the little itty-bitty weeny ones. So I'm gonna try and just recreate a lazy man's version. I thought, all I need is like Pillsbury pastry dough and some sausage. So come in close, I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm using Chipotle, Monterey, and Jack cheese sausage on this. And this one is Cajun style andouille sausage right there. And I didn't know which pastry to do, so I got the grand ones. I'm using crescent roll pastry, and I'm rolling it in regular ones, the buttery, flaky ones. Okay, so this is the first time I've used the new Katori knife on the show. So we're just gonna, I'm cutting these in half and rolling them, because I believe that's how Paula Deen did it in her restaurant. I have no idea, I didn't ask. And I believe the smaller ones are gonna work perfect for these. So let's start with the smaller ones. I remember my mom used to smack these on the counter, on the side of the counter, and it would just pop open. I wonder if I can still do that. It says press a spoon, and she would just do this. Oh, it works. Thanks, Mom. We're doing the Cajun ones first. See? Look, some of them are torn up. That's not cool. We'll figure it out. It's all good. Take my little knife. Cut right through there. Done. Oh. I could pull them apart, but I just want to make sure that they're clean looking. All right, so here we go. Let's grab one of these sausages. Some are bigger than others. We're just gonna roll them like that. Let's get it on the cookie sheet. There we go. All right, let's put it right here. And we'll let them cool on this plate right here. There we go. Oh my gosh, they look good. All right, these are the perfect ones, I can tell you right now, that I had at the Paula Deen restaurant. She probably makes her own pastry dough. I can't do better than Pillsbury. All right, while these are warm, I'm gonna just brush them with a little bit of butter garlic, or garlic butter, however you want to say it. Doesn't really matter. It's butter and it's garlic. Nothing else matters, really. All right, Jack Jr. just arrived, just walked in. Pick one. You get to pick the first one. You're gonna need a towel. That one? All right, I'm gonna do this one. Here we go. Good? Mm-hmm. Dude, come on. You're almost 18 now.
I keep forgetting about the thousands of people watching, that's why. I'm used to it being my own house and I can just go all
Okay, here, ready? Here we go, cooking show. Ready? When nobody's watching. I'm gonna say goodbye.
Bye. Like that.
Guys, really good. Totally lazy, easy recipe. You can do this for the game. You guys take care. Let me know if you've ever tried this, all right? Just wrap in the Pillsbury crescent rolls and enjoy. And put some really creative sausage in there, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.
Later, guys.